Okay, I'm not a big fan of these screen capture utilities or using the print screen button on your computer, but sometimes they're necessary. My favorite here is Fast Stone Capture. The pay version has a lot of nice features, but here's an older version while it was still freeware. And you get it on portable freeware. I'll try to put in a link. But let's get into some of the older ways of doing it. The older way doesn't require any special software, just a graphics program or your word processor, but let me show you how that works. I'm going to hit the print screen button on your keyboard, and then I'm going to come in here and you can either Control V, right click, or go up into Edit, but all I want to do is paste it. And there we get what's on my screen. The reason I don't like this, my monitor's only 92 dpi, so you don't get really good quality, especially when things are large. But let's get into Fast Stone Capture. Okay, once you've downloaded it, you're going to end up with a zip file. Well, all Windows platforms has an extract on them. All I did was right click, and I'm going to extract all, and we just do the little wizard thing and finish. Okay, this folder can actually be copied to your stick when you're at somebody else's computer or the library. If you want to save it to your computer, you just save the whole file. Then you can do a right click, create shortcut, and put this up on your desktop for easy access. That's kind of nice. But let's get into the program. Just double click it, and you end up with a little menu here. You can minimize it, run it from your toolbar. This feature here with the little arrow on it scrolls down the page. I love it. I really do. Now, that works just like the print screen button. And this selects an area. This is a rectangle selection if you just want a little piece of a web page. And this is a freehand one. But I'm not going to go into these two very much. You can play with the settings. I don't find it necessary for myself. So let's try this scrolling selection, which I love so much. And I'm going to select this box. I want to scroll down it. And to stop it, you just hit the escape button. And it opens up a nice little menu for you. In here you can crop it, zoom to, draw on the page, add a caption, create a fancy edge, resize it, email it, or print it. Well, let's start out with cropping it. There's freehand, circle. We'll use the rectangle. And let's just say I want this little description area. Watch out, it goes fast. And once you've selected the area, all you do is click crop, and you have just the area of the page you want. Now you can save it, and as you can see, you can save it in quite a few different formats. We're not going to do that. I do like the print option on this. It's going to automatically try to find the best orientation on the page, but you can change it to portrait or landscape. Now here you get to change how big a margin on the sides. So I'm going to just do this. I'm going to change it to 0.5, hit tab, 0.5 tab, 0.5 tab, 0.5 tab. And as you can see, it's now a larger printing area. And then you hit print. I'm not going to do this now. And you hit close to exit the editor. No, I don't want to save it. Now let's try some of the other features. Now this is why I don't like these print screens programs. If you can't see it on the page, you're not going to be able to read it on the printer. So for this, I'm going to use the triangle selection. And as you see, pretty small. Let's zoom in. And that's just going to be a waste of your time. So always make sure you can read the document before you use this. And if we wanted to do a little freehand selection, and here we've got a little freehand circle. I probably wouldn't use that much unless you're just trying to get a little face off a picture or something. I'd be more inclined with the rectangle or the scrolling feature. Now this one, you can choose a certain area to print. As you can see, it's got a big red square to what you want. So let's say we just want this area. And we just got that one little area that was visible on the browser. And nice thing is you can actually minimize this to your toolbar, and you can right click the icon and be able to access all these without this being in front of your face all the time. So I would recommend this program. It's one of my favorite little screen capture utilities. But I don't use it much, but there are websites that restrict the printing, or you just want a certain area of the page. This is very useful. So, if you ever run into this problem, give it a try. I think you'll enjoy it.